Hello, I am Laura. I am a 9th grader in 𝗘𝗿𝗶𝗶𝘁𝗶. I've been studying in this school since I was 3 years old. There are a lot of reasons why I chose to study in this school. The first one is my friends here are warm and friendly. It feels so nice to be surrounded by them. Second, there are so many cool events Sekolah has, such as Christmas celebration, Math and Sport Olympic, Learning to Give, Entrepreneurship Days, and others. And the interesting thing is that we can always learn something from each of those events. Third, the facilities here are cool. I'm not lying, but they are really cool. The staff and the teachers here are so nice and amazing too. They will always help us whenever we need help. And the learning method here is fun, so we don't easily get bored while studying. And we can also understand the lessons easily. There are so many positive things I got from the school. The first one is 𝗘𝗿𝗿𝗏 taught us about character education. They taught us how to behave nicely and politely. Second, the school encouraged us to discover and develop our hidden talents through some of their events. And the last thing, which is my favorite, is that the school is very flexible, so we never feel pressured whenever we were asked to do something. So that's all from me. Thank you!